Hello guys, so I'm back again with another vlog. So today I'm going to show you my Real Steel collection. So here's are my action figures here, and here's my parcel. I'm going to show you it later, but first I'm going to show you my collection. First, I'll show Atom.
Right, left, right. Oh, huge uppercut by Adam.
The People's Champion. Yeah, People's Champion. Next, I have Noisy Boy, the Steel Samurai,
Southpaw Pain Revolution.
aka as the Manga Mangler. Next, I have Ambush. Ambush, the comic book crusher. Next, I have Twin Cities, the two-headed tyrant.
Hands up.
I have Zeus, the King of the Ring, or aka the King of the Robots.
Okay.
The one who fought Atom in the final battle scene in Real Steel. Midas, the one that uses the Cappuccino from Noisy Boy. Yeah, from Noisy Boy. Six Shooter, the one who fought Atom. Okay, next I have Metro. Okay, that's it. Now, let's unbox Black Thunder, the one that killed Ambush in the battle scene. Guys, Black Thunder killed Ambush. Oh, here it is. As you can see, this is Black Thunder, the one that killed Ambush from Real Steel in the first battle. Here it is, guys. Besides the Transformers, besides the aircraft, I like Real Steel as well. It's so awesome. It's so many full of special effects and explosions. Yeah.
Great at fighting.
Yes. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like and enjoy this video, and I hope you subscribe. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.